Radhe Radhe friends, welcome back to RadhaRani Handwork channel with a new video. Myself Deepali Mondol, and today I am going to show you a new flower embroidery pattern. So friends, if you love my work, then please like and share my video, and if you want to learn this type of new techniques, then subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. For more details, you can check the description box. You can follow me in Instagram and Facebook. The link is present into the description box. I have created so many beautiful embroideries like this. If you have not seen this yet, then check the previous videos. So now see the process and enjoy the video. So friends, this is the final look. So how is this embroidery? Tell me in the comment box. I feel inspired after reading your comments. Thank you so much for watching this video.